I use Susu's 4-strand cotton thread. First, hold the thread with your left hand and start with a slip stitch. To make 23 chain stitches. After making 23 braid stitches, in the third needle from the end, hook 3 long stitches. Mark the first stitch. Continue to crochet 2 long stitches. Then, crochet 19 long stitches in turn. After hooking 6 long stitches, in the last stitch, crochet 6 long stitches. Then on the other side of the braid, insert the needle at the intersection of 2 braids. Continue to crochet 19 long stitches. After hooking, in the first 3 long stitches, and crochet 3 long stitches. After completion, connect with the first stitch. Cut the thread. Find the 6 long stitches on both sides. Insert the hook from the first long stitch on the right, and make 2 stitches with the thread. In the first stitch, you'll make a long stitch increase. Long stitch increase, which means crocheting 2 long stitches in 1 stitch. Lock 1 stitch. Actually, this is the second round of the bouquet coaster. In each stitch, crochet 1 long stitch and 1 long stitch. Lock 1 stitch. There are 6 groups. After the last long stitch increase is completed, lock 2 stitches. Turn the fabric. First, crochet a long stitch. Then a long stitch and a long stitch increase. And 1 lock stitch. Leave the stitches of the previous row unworked. Follow the pattern of 1 long stitch, 1 long stitch, 1 lock stitch. To complete the pattern, finish the remaining part. Finish with 2 stitches. As a standing stitch, turn the fabric. The pattern of this row is 2 long stitches. 1 long stitch, 1 long stitch with addition, and 1 lock stitch. You can finish it by yourself. There are 5 rows in total. The methods on both sides are the same. Next, change the thread and hook. Lock 1 stitch for leaf. Hook a short stitch. Then hook for chain stitches. Leave 2 stitches empty and hook a short stitch in the 4th stitch. The pattern of the first round of the leaf is 1 short stitch and 4 chain stitches, and leave 2 stitches empty. This lock stitch is also counted as a stitch. The rest is up to you. The second round of the leaf, in the 4 braids, to crochet. First, lock 1 stitch, then hook a short stitch. Four braid stitches. In the second to last braid, pull through. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Then hook a short stitch. This way, a leaf is completed. Follow this pattern. Complete the remaining part. The crocheting methods on both sides are the same. Use a sewing needle to sew it. The appearance after sewing. Next, change thread to crochet roses. Start with a slip stitch. Crochet 9 chain stitches. After crocheting 9 chains, in the third needle from the end, hook 3 long stitches. In the next stitch, continue to hook 3 long stitches. 3 long stitches in 1 stitch, 7 groups. After the last set is completed, use 2 chain stitches to connect. Adjust the rows. Pass the hook through the bottom of the rows. Bring the thread out and lock 1 stitch. Cut the thread. Fix the rows on the leaf. After fixing it, pass the hook through the center and bring the thread out. Hide the thread and cut it. In the same way, fix the rose. The lovely rose earphone bag is done.